And we are back on our unboxing today, guys. Monthly subscription unboxing. Here we go. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I have 2 boxes in here. I know before I tried to do 1 box at a time in every video, but it's almost February right now, and I know this video is gonna be, of course, a long one, but I'm gonna try to edit them, guys. So today I will show you what I got for this month of January from the Boxycharm and the Ipsy. Okay, here. So I'm gonna open up, guys, and show it to you what I got. And as you can see, guys, I already put makeup on my face. I already have foundation, blush on, and everything, except for the eyeshadow, because both boxes I received eyeshadow of each. So I will show it to you Boxycharm first, guys. So let's dig in what we got. So our first items in the box, guys, is from Skin & Co. And I already used this 3 times, guys, and unfortunately it's not my favorite, and I'm not gonna use it anymore on my face, because at first I thought it's like I'm having like a rashes on my face, just a little bit, and then I use it again, and like, I don't know, it's just I'm not really fan of it. Like, so I stopped using it, and instead I use it, you know, scrub my underarms, guys. So why not, right? If you can't use it in your face, then put it somewhere else to use. So the next one, guys, is mostly I already use some of the items here in the box, so I can have like not a first impression, because it's just hard, you know, when you use items for the first time. It's not gonna be like, you know, your opinion is always changed. But I try to use this glow recipe mask. It's sleeping mask, guys, that you can put in your face, and then you can go to sleep mask. And then I love it. It smells so good. It's like a real, you know, it's from watermelon, but oh my goodness, it smells so good. And I love this one, guys, that I purchased another one. When I use this, I use this, yeah, 3 times already. When I use it, at first it's like I woke up in the morning, and then I stopped using the Skin & Co, and it's like, I'm not gonna use that. And it's like, how will I, you know, try to improve my skin, because it feels like I'm having like a rashes. And then when I use this one, and like in the morning, it's like I felt glow, and it's like, maybe this one is. And then I use it again, guys, the next night, and yeah, I love it. Like I said, I purchased again because I love it, guys. I love it. So that's the second one, guys. And the third one is the Pretty Vulgar concealer. And this one is a little bit like 1 hair strand darker on me, but I'm not really complaining about it. When I tried it, guys, that's the one I'm using right now. Actually, I use 2 concealers, guys, because this one is, it's good. It's good to cover up, you know, dark spot, how you say it, dark spot in your under eye. But it's not really like brightening up on me, so I had to use my Makeup Revolution, guys. Makeup Revolution. Oh my god, I don't know why I stopped using that concealer, because of the Too Faced. But that one is my ultimate favorite, guys. It's not the C9. I'm using the C9 of Makeup Revolution, guys, and oh my goodness, it's like I missed using that one. But this one, I would say I love it, like the glow recipe. This one is thumbs up for me. And the next one is from Queven. Oh, it's a lipstick, guys. Sorry, it's a liquid lipstick, and then I'm not planning to use it, but it looks so beautiful, guys. It's like nude, so maybe it's a little bit lighter on me, but we'll see. That's the color, guys. We'll see. We're gonna use this, guys, for today. And last but not the least, in my Boxycharm, guys, is the Ace of Beauty Scarlet Dust. And this one, I do have what is this Ace Beauty palette, guys, before in my Boxycharm, and it's one of my favorite palette, guys. Let me get it, guys, and let's maybe try compare the colors, guys. I'll be back. So guys, let's compare the two palette, guys. I love the graphic of this graphic on the palette, guys. It's like Indian vibe graphic. This is my old Ace Beauty Grandiose palette from Boxycharm. This is my before, and it's like, you know, you can wear it everyday colors. And this one is the Scarlet, and it has mirror, guys, Scarlet Dusk. And this is the color, guys. Is it like similar? Kinda, huh, guys? But this one has more color. So oh my god, guys, it's gonna be a long video, so I will try to use this one, guys. And this one, I'm gonna try this. You know, February is almost here and Valentine's coming, so I'm gonna try to do like maybe like you can wear it on Valentine's Day, guys. So but I'm gonna try, guys. Okay, so I'll be back, guys. And for the last item that I'm gonna use, guys, from Boxycharm is called Queven. And let's try this on, guys. So guys, what do you think of my look for the Ace Beauty? So I'll be back for my Ipsy tutorials, guys. We are back, guys, for our Ipsy look, guys. Ipsy, I got Ipsy. So let's open this one first. And half of this items, guys, is gonna be my giveaway. So stay tuned, guys. At the end of my video, I will tell you what you're gonna do to get entry on my giveaway, guys. So, oh my goodness, sorry, my ring is like too big. So this bag, and I have Benefit Give Me Bro, tiny one, guys, and number 4.5, and neutral deep brown. And then we also have Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream Water Gel Cream Moisturizer. And Okay, guys, that's gonna be like giveaway. Okay, fine. I'll say it in the end of the video. So, Beauty for Real lipstick, lip balm, and has a color too. And last but not the least is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Gentle Cleanser. I really wanted to try this one, guys, if it's good. And the last one on this box, guys, would be a brush. Oh my god, when I saw this, like, perfect. It's Luxy brush, guys, for highlights, you know, highlights on your face. So that's the last of the items. And then next would be the box, Ipsy box premium. Oh, I don't know. Oh no, I don't think this is a premium. Oh my gosh. So we have for this one, guys, the first items would be the Pearlies Eye Adorn Serum, for, you know, serum like that for our wrinkles, including me. And also they have Pink Milk Mask. I do have two of this, guys. Okay, so I do have two of this, and each set has three of each, guys. So 3, and this mask is from Korea, guys. Oh my god, I love Korean brands. They're what you call this, beauty products, guys, is it's always good, and you know, the bomb. And also I got Nature's Cartel lipstick, guys. So this one, and let's see what color they have it here. I'm not gonna use it, guys, because it's like natural. This is perfect for any kinds of skin tone, you know, deep, light, or medium skin tone. This is good for it. And then, oh my god, the last one, oh no, not the last one, I have a big bag like the other one, guys. Why this ring is like bigger? No, this one is bigger than the other one. I have the small one for like the envelope. They have a small one. And for this one, guys, I have a Huda Ruby Obsession, guys, that I will have. I'm gonna do another, you know, tutorials, guys. So, and I was looking at it, and I already practicing and already touched it, guys. That's the eyeshadow. So I'm thinking it's like, oh, what I'm gonna do with this color, but we'll see what I can come up, guys. Maybe it's like the same I have earlier, because they're like the same color, like their color is like similar. So I'll be back, guys, and we'll do another eye tutorials. Okay, guys, I forgot to film the darker shade I have in my eyes right now. Is this one here. I thought I'm already filming it, but I guess not. So I'm almost done, guys, and this one. Okay, guys, I forgot to film the darker shade I have in my eyes right now. Is this one here. I thought I'm already filming it, but I guess not. So I'm almost done, guys, and this one. This one. And the last product I'm gonna use, guys, is also from Ipsy. It's called Sugar, and this is some eyeliner, guys, and the color is 01 Albi Black micro liner, guys. And I already used this earlier on my Boxycharm look earlier, but I forgot to mention it. So yeah, this is the one, last one, guys. Let me put it and I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is our look for Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions. So, it looks purple. I love it, guys. Look. It's so hard when you have hoodie eyes, guys, because you're like this. The makeup is gone. Like, okay, guys, giveaway time. So if you want to win this mask, guys, this is 3-in-1. So there's 3 in here. If you wanna, here, 3. And this makeup bag, guys, that's included in our giveaway. And 1 moisturizer, and number 4.5 Benefit Brow, guys. You will love this one. And of course, last but not least, the Laura lip balm, guys. So if you want to win this, guys, just comment below and choose which look is your favorite that I did today, guys. Is the first one, which is from Ace Beauty Boxycharm box, or this one here from the Ipsy and the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession look, guys. So comment below, guys, and you will win this prize for this month, guys. And I'm so sorry for my friends back home in the Philippines, guys. This giveaway is only in the US, for the US resident only, no for Canada. I'm sorry, not right now, guys. Maybe next month I will do another giveaway that Philippines can also enter on my giveaway. But for this giveaway, guys, for the month of January, it's only for USA residents. So comment below, guys. And this one, okay, I'm gonna draw my lucky winners, guys, next, I would say next Saturday or Sunday. I will post that on my Facebook page, guys. Please like my Facebook page. I will link somewhere here. So I will announce it there, guys, so you will know like when I'm gonna choose the lucky winners, guys. So if you want to win the prizes, comment below. So that's it, guys. It's gonna be okay. That's it, guys, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.